Hey, welcome back to One Good Thing at Home, where we're all spending way too much time. This week I have a reader submitted One Good Thing, which is how to make a simple little plant corner out of recycled materials. We're gonna take simple tin cans, gussy them up with spray paint, not that one, and then you can make a little plant corner. And then you need some spray paint, which you probably got around the house. I've got two really chic colors, no more day glow. And then a little tip, another little tip. Thank you for all my corks. This is embarrassing. For drainage, some people call for putting a hole in the bottom, but I actually get away with not putting a hole by using corks for drainage, which was another tip that came from a reader. Thank you. So first thing is, I clean the cans really well, and then I'm gonna try using a little paint and primer. Wait, whoa, what are you doing over there? Hey, go ahead, make your own can. Everyone gets to make their own can. Gotta scrape your roots down a little. So all done. I've got my plants in. Oh my God. So now let's make a little home for our plants. So here we are in the bathroom, and the bathroom's been screaming for life, and now my little plants and their beautiful little planters are all done. There we go. That's it for this week on One Good Thing. Thank you for your tips. Send me more, and I'll see you next week.